incredibly proud. We were talking about it yesterday in practice that, every great story involves adversity, and even outside of the adversity that everybody's dealing with this season with different protocols and social distancing and wearing masks during matches and delayed start, it's been a wild, wild ride. And for us to get to this point, be the district champions and roll into the playoffs with that 1 seed coming out of District 10 is a big deal.
It's really, it's honestly really weird this year, but we have to face adversity in all that we do. So, we just push forward and we do what we do this year.
Really, it's about us playing our game. If we execute on our side of the net, then the scoreboard's going to take care of itself. We got one more opportunity to come in here tomorrow and kind of sharpen the sword as sharp as we can get it. Be ready to go to work tomorrow.
North Garland is a really solid team, but I feel like if we go out there and we stay together and we really just go out there and perform, then I feel like we'll really do good.